Well, all you know whenever you see me is adventure time. Not really. Because on that channel, expect anything. You get me? But today, we are adventuring today. So, where are you going today? Today, we're about to adventure to a waterfall for you. That waterfall is real nice. So, I'm not gonna say much. Just stay tuned for the journey. Because we're outside. Oh, and I think you have 2 more members added to the crew today. Yeah. So, let's see how that goes. So, my phone. Who that message me? So I'm currently here waiting at the adventure buggy to come get me. Cause we out, man. Fully. Yeah, man. Stay tuned. Adventure life. Eh?
Ah, that was sale, boy. Copyright. We want no strikes and we don't even start yet. Morning time. That is it, Juma.
Right now we're on the road.
That is it. On our next journey. On our next mission. And you know what it is? I ain't gonna even say more.
That's it, we ain't telling them much. Just stay tuned, because things come in. And I just see that, we ain't capping. no capping, so just stay tuned. You can sit down, you could organize a popcorn, whatever you want to organize, and just set up.
So, people get sorrow, they think,
next time, listen, next time when you come in today, slow down. You can feel like just fly down there.
Oh, true, that is it.
Yeah, after you come in the real, wow, next time when you come down there, that is it there. Adventure done for the day. Yeah, so, on the road.
Right, so right now, I know we outside, the weather looking a bit grim, but we outside still. We out here without fear.
Bread!
That's
yeah. But
just now. I like to drive boat. You take a pilot on a boat just now.
Where we here to go? Where you going? Hey.
Hold it down, Tanty. Hold it down. Just because.
She's by line of foot.
Pull your hand.
I could have cooked lunch and all, I don't know.
Don't forget no lunch, go down cook.
I tell you about 9 o'clock. I tell you about 9 o'clock.
Dread shot, you know?
I tell you about 9 o'clock. What time now?
Dread shot. You're outside still.
I see Juma post on WhatsApp that he adventuring today. So I told Juma bring me along. So now we outside. They say we go in the bush. I don't know how I'm making it in the bush today, but we go in the bush. Let's see what this adventure life is about.
It's a tip. Grass on the rib. You want to get extra close?
Yeah.
You mean?
Wow.
Because I know we reach by the waterfall. They look me and water already.
Hold on. Oh my God. Yo, we have a tank at night. Just in the back there. We're ready to fly. We're flying. Hold on, come. Hold on. What's the first place? Custard here. Go on, bro. You got it. Go on, man. Go on. Outside. Pick up yourself. Yeah, go on. This, bro. We win in. The yellow house go in. And you see we matching. Although in school I was heard I was in though. So we have a live run in there. Out. Yo. That design bad. So yeah, that is it there, adventure life. So we do it. So right now we head in Grenville. We have a few things to get. Yeah, so yeah. Big up everybody. I don't want to call your name and forget people. So you big up everybody.
Where are the roadblock sign, Papa?
Where's about how much? Relax. What are the thing, boss? Time in.
You have a bundle of marijuana? Only so you could fucking party. You have a bundle of marijuana?
Yeah.
Only so we go let you party. Because we don't want the police yet. Oh, you have a nice lady in the back.
Yeah.
I hope that is your wife in the back there. Hope so. So now we had a turn because you know Grenadians being Grenadians, and them boys them don't have a sign. Evening chances. Them boys don't have a sign saying that work being done on the road. So we had a turn. And the greatest thing about it, the most Grenadian thing ever, the most Grenadian shit ever, is that here the boy tell us we had to relax yourself and wait.
Any bread? Bread. Bread. Boss, you have bread to buy? Alright. Red fire. Red hot. Red. Red hot.
Yeah, 2025 movie. 2025. Welcome to Grenville, bro. Yeah.
La B.
Yeah?
La B.
We are calling to the French and them, yeah.
Everything go on?
To the forward.
Respect and manners.
Love.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Yeah, man. We have much rush today. I look like I mixing paint.
We have a gas still. Mr. Man, I could go.
But I don't think that with you.
Mr. Man, we could go boat, go and come back.
Mr. Man, I don't think that with you. Although I have a t-shirt here, Auto Patrol, and I'm a dog. If the buggy hold up now, one phone call, and the boss coming and start on the buggy, dog. So yeah, pick up a virgin Auto Patrol all the time. What to hold on to? Red fire, plate up, heart up. Hold is the best. We was planting bad, bro. Diamond green, man. Oh. What was a glass? All is all going on. Where the party day?
Tomorrow, man.
Where?
Saturday, tomorrow, my birthday bash. We open your eye tomorrow, Saturday.
And that's it, I'm drinking.
That is it. So, to be honest, I sky is a little bit drinking, eh? Wow. Go on,
You're trying your beverage today.
so you give a review after.
How long is it, please?
It's a long time I ain't see somebody build a blue soap here. Or a carbolic soap. The red one, I hated the carbolic soap here. You smell that shit out
Yeah.
to the house here. I hated the carbolic.
Imagine you got a boss. They don't make it. Be a carbolic. What, boss? Cool. Cool. Caribbean Cool. Sponsor the boss.
What?
Juma?
Nice. I told you that one was nice.
With a bring me for, and we can't stop squeezing. Watch your meters open like a door.
Right now we're gonna buy gas. And we don't play in the ass. Beer cans. At 20 coins eh. Cousin breaks the cash ban. With non cousin to bring the potion. Bring it a potion. What? Because we looking good here.
10.
Full up.
Put a 50. And we'll make a little spree this evening.
So let's see how going on there.
We go use the gas.
I know. We gotta eat. Eat. We're gonna change that. Cause why? We money up. One. So I know we're in the gas station, but to charge up the buggy, cause I know we can outside without gas.
Refill.
Okay.
Go forward. Refill, you couldn't fulfill in the traffic, refill.
Well, Raphael, all could. Well, Raphael, all could do that, Raphael.
Go right down, go right down.
Right there, so? Keep going. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, there's no open for.
Eh?
Cut off the buggy. Yeah, I have to open the
Hold on.
door.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait.
It's a process. It's a process.
Boy, you make me ball.
Nice, that's up. 5-0.
What you say, dog?
Your friend, come, bring your hand.
You have to coins.
Some like old people. Wait.
Sorry,
Your friend,
I'm
bring your
sorry.
hand.
Yeah, gas. Not
5-0.
diesel. Let's have to pack up.
Oh, you have to take bus go up home.
$9.50.
$30 in
13 coins.
Hey!
What do you know?
Nothing out there going home. I just want to buy a paper bag.
We going in the bush.
Your bush or?
No, we going in the bush. We going in the waterfall.
Ooh. Crack, crack, crack. You know, we're outside. Fully.
Outside. Machine. Bug in the blood clot.
See the free? Real adventure live.
Interesting them do a fit in the adventure buggy. See you can come up the hill. Them tell us show them.
Let me tell you something, eh?
Men
Men need women to be wrong and to question things so he could be right. Right?
she can have a point there.
Right.
Have faith in the buggy, please. Yes! We make it. What the latest now?
We don't know. We're going in the waterfall. Hopefully we get some content and some videos and shot some music videos too.
I can close behind me now.
Yeah. What thing? Give me a voice now? Give me a voice, we still have a voice on time, run a voice.
I was not talking by behind me. To want to be an artist in life. To want to be an artist in life.
Oh, what?
A video she was supposed to drop. I had a clip.
You want to say elephant wait, nigga, I haul. Eh? When I hear me dog say that, I say me dog has to be a fucking artist.
What you say?
He say elephant wait, nigga, I haul. Dog nigga not fall.
Bobo clan!
Gonna was saying I didn't see pass.
Yeah, one back up.
Hello? Yeah.
Go down.
Alright.
Come on here, leading the two. Get them?
So when you reach down by the
Right out there.
yeah, and then alright. Let me talk to you for an boy.
Hey.
Eh?
You want to right back in the gap, Friday?
Alright, boss.
Thank you.
Respect and manners.
Alright. Thank
Okay.
you. Boy.
Badness.
Get that shot.
Spend cash for your pocket. You know what? You ask what? Now hold tight tomorrow. You know what? Talk to me. Lift up your skirt.
Name is Sean Roofing, Sean Paul Roofing to be exact, like the singer, yes. And I love adventuring because nature brings peace to me.
Yo. You don't know. Let's go from the spice. And we're going on an adventure. I love adventuring because it grows inspiration. And you get a clear heart, a clear head, a clear mind, and the lyrics flows. Feel me? So, yeah, outside. You know what? I don't know if you know how much.
Grenada, the island of spice.
Come on, then.
I know I see something run across there, you know. I know I see.
Like it.
Tired, but go to the big time, or you strike up a fire. Let's do it. Right, so right now, I'm gonna show you all a little trick to start the fire. We ain't using no gas or anything today. We're doing it strictly ITAL. A little bit forward and we'll see. You need a little ice up on this side. That is it. That is it right there. You go throw some more fire on this side. You put some more fire on that side. And you got a nice little oven there too if you want to bake a bread inside there. You know?
You don't know. Guys.
One thing is, I will not organize this stuff for. Right, so all we're cooking on the menu today is an ital wrap. Normally an ital wrap on our island is just raw vegetables, a shitty Thousand Island sauce, and whatever choice of wrap skin that you'd like. But we doing it with a twist. Don't worry about what we're in it, you will see. What do I do? Let's cut the food and do things. You got company.
Hello.
Morning. Hello. Morning time. Right in time.
Hello.
The World Cup.
Yeah, welcome to the Qing Dynasty. Now how we do it in Qing.
Cabbage, celery, pumpkin. Can't forget the quinoa and lentil right on the ends there. And we'll make a sauce for all. We'll see it in due time.
pot can hold food. Right now we're at the waterfall, cooking up the itar. That is it, man. So to live. Bumboklat, itar fall, man. Wow! Cool, boy. Outside, boy. So, right now, we're at Delphi. Yeah, nah, that's good. Outside. Come on! Come on, man! One good shot, never two! So, right now we're at Delphi. As you can see. Outside like the clothes. Give them the life. Outside.
Them sun fly bad like whoa.
That one fucking me up, man. That one making me feel.
all.
That is it. That is it. We're going vegan in 2025.
Bad chef!
Simple ingredients.
Bad chef! Bad bumbuckler chef. Give thanks, my bro.
Vegetable.
I want to sit down and have my wrap. Wash and bite. The bad dog they bite. Whoa. Wow. You see the sauce? The sauce that catch them, eh? The sauce slapping. Yes. So guys, thanks for tuning in. But we don't know where we're ending up now. It's Friday and we're blood clot outside. One at a minute nose.
I'm out.
Bye bye.
Oh
Hey, I can see all of them. Eh? It was more like a young chicken. I guess I'm tired.
Not really. I have energy to go quack quack.
But lie. So I tell him this. So I tell him this. I feel him to go more quack quack now. They're punking out. One family, one adventure to the next. No? Yeah, Leo. Give thanks for our next banger. We're coming for all you. Talk to me. How going on there now?
You know, I have a slight leak in my heater hole, so you know, ever so often I have to make sure I top it up with all the water and all over the place. You know.
You drunk, huh?
Like skunk.
What drunk like? Hey! Well, you gonna mash it up?
Yeah. You are there on the dash? We active. Because Dread Shot bring us in a kind of road there. We need that go back up. Tips and tricks to off-road in a place like this now. You gotta stay in fourth gear. And more stay in fourth gear with the 4-wheel drive there on them hill and them.
Shot! Fun! Fun! Adventure life! Machine!
Azuka, Japanese badness.